In the series of Anandam, today we are going to talk about positive attitude. Positive attitude is a state of mind that envisions and expects favorable results. A willingness to try doing new things, a belief that everything would turn all right, an attitude that helps you see the good in people, a mental attitude that sees good and accomplishments in your fellow beings and your life rather than the negative and the failures. It is a mindset that helps to see and recognize opportunities, leading to focusing on the bright side of life, which says, I can and it is possible. Adopting a positive attitude is essential to happiness and progress in life. This state of mind brings light, hope, and enthusiasm into the life of those who possess it. Adopting a positive attitude in your life does not mean that everything will always move smoothly and there will be no bumps on the road. However, it shows that any obstacle you might encounter will not stop you or change your state of mind, and that you will keep going on to achieve goals and success, bringing more happiness into your life. Positive attitude increases your faith in your abilities and brings hope for a brighter future. You become able to inspire and motivate yourself and others. If this attitude is strong enough, it becomes contagious. It is as if you radiate light around you. This light affects not only you and the way you look at the world, but also affects the environment and the people around you. People with positive attitudes can remain hopeful and see the best even in difficult situations, in contrast to those with negative attitudes who may be more pessimistic and disagreeable and typically expect the worst possible outcome in tough situations. While having a positive attitude does not necessarily make you less stressed, it can equip you with the tools you need to cope with stress in a healthy way. Those individuals who have positive attitudes may not treat stress as something physically deprecating and dangerous, but as a means to a greater and other benefits. Having a positive attitude includes creating actionable goals based on dreams and maintaining more positive relationships, and it even gives your immune system a well needed boost. Now we come to the ways to keep a positive attitude. First, a gratitude journal is a wonderful way to stay positive every day by little effort or no effort. Once a day, you can jot down at least three aspects of a day for which you feel thankful. They can be as small as seeing a cute dog on your way to work or as large as getting an offer from a true job. In addition, they can be something that happened to you on that day, on that specific day, such as getting yourself a large pastry or something that exists in your life always, such as having a family who loves you. All that matters is that you are remembering to feel grateful every day. By training your mind to think about all the good things in your life, you can develop a more positive outlook. Treat yourself to some self care every day. It is always important to take care of both your physical and mental health. It can feel overwhelming when you are working full time and interacting continually with people. In order to keep moving forward with a positive attitude, it is essential that you take a step back sometimes and treat yourself to something special. Consider the ways you can unwind, de stress, and have some you time. Some examples are watching the movie, calling a friend, or even just saying no to plans and instead staying in. No matter what it is, you should get into the habit of practicing something every day. By allowing yourself these moments of pure bliss and rest, you can ensure a more positive attitude when you are on the work grind. Third, start every morning strong. It is easier to maintain a positive attitude all day if you implement it right when you open your eyes. About some ways to make your mornings the best part of your day, consider waking up at half an hour earlier than usual. This means getting into bed earlier too. Give yourself time to do the things you love but may not always have time for. Go for a run, help your mother in making breakfast, listen to music or read a book, and start your morning with something you love. When a morning is more productive and less stressed, You will be sure to head to work in high spirits. That morning glow will spread throughout your day and then the cycle can repeat. Fourth, avoid spreading gossip. The mere act of saying things, whether or not they are true behind someone's back, that you wouldn't say to their face, is negative. It can be hard to avoid gossip, but simply refuse to get involved in it. If someone tries to reveal to you a dramatic story about someone, simply decline and tell them you would rather not participate. While that may feel odd to you, you will actually find that you feel lighter when not carrying the weights of secrets. Fifth, practice meditation. Practicing meditation can do a lot to decrease stress and anxiety. A study showed that meditation was able to decrease anxiety in healthcare professionals. This means that proper meditation may help decrease stress in your lives. 5 minutes a day is a great start to meditation routine. Practice deep breathing and clearing your mind. Simple methods like this are effortless and will help you find balance in your life as well as let go of the negativity and stress that you may experience on a daily basis. Sixth, focus on the long term instead of the short term. When a conflict arises, whether it be with your friends or family members, your immediate reaction might be to jump on the defense. You want to protect yourself. Instead, take a second to step back and view the situation from a third party perspective. Will participating in this conflict be beneficial in the long run, or will it simply cause unnecessary stress and negativity at the moment? Rather than snapping back, you can practice empathy. This might help you get to the root of the problem and end the conversation on a positive, lighter note. Now that you are aware about the benefits of positivity, positive attitude, and how to create a positive attitude, you can set yourself on a path to a positive, refreshing attitude on life, and this will help you find more happiness in your life too. That's all for today. Thank you.